We are multitasking today. I'm twisting my hair up. Also, a mom that's on duty. So, two products that I'll be using for the first time is the Pattern Beauty Curling Custard as well as the Pattern Beauty Hair Mousse. Because I have fine density hair, I did not go in and blow dry my hair. The reason why is because I like the shrinkage because it makes my hair appear a lot fuller than what it naturally is. As I stated, I'm a mom, so I'm not going to go in with perfect partings, but as a licensed educator and stylist, I'm just going to show you how I do my hair at home so you can do your hair in between getting your services at the salon. First thing first, we're not concentrating on perfect parting, honey. I'm just going to take my rat tail comb as you see. So now I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I like to use what I call feel as you go motion. I'm not using a mirror and I'm not focused on making a perfect part. Instead, I'm just feeling my way through. Next, I'm going to take my duckbill clip to section off the hair I'm not working with. Now, I will divide the hair that I'm going to two-strand twist and make sure that everything else is out the way. For styling, I'm just using a pattern custard, applying it to my mid strands down towards my ends. Then I will take my brush and detangle and distribute the product evenly. After I do that, I'm going to layer it with the pattern curl mousse just to add slip and definition. Now I'm ready to start my two-strand twist. As you can see, I am tightly twisting it at the roots for a secure hold and gradually loosen the twist as I work towards down my ends. As I'm twisting, I'm making sure that the hair stays smooth and hydrated. To finish it, I'm going to use my index finger to coil the ends and shape them. Even though my hair won't appear as full, this method not only enhances the style, but also my two-strand twist sets beautifully. And I'm going to do this technique all the way throughout my hair. Now that my hair is fully twisted, I'm going to top it out with a pattern curl mousse just to smooth away the flyaways and to lock everything in place. I love how soft and conditioned it feels. And paired with the styling custard, I feel like it's going to give my fine curly hair a hold without the crunch. And here's the final look. Will these twists hold for 48 hours? Stay tuned and find out. If you enjoy it, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know have you tried these products. And don't forget to turn on your notifications, honey. You don't want to miss the update. See you in the next one.